In today's video, I'll show you how to hide the sender name from WhatsApp notifications on your iPhone. If you want to keep your WhatsApp messages more private and stop the sender's name from appearing in your notifications, this simple trick will help you. Without wasting your time, let's start right away. We'll open the settings on our iPhone device and then scroll a bit down until you find the notifications section. Here it is for me, so I will open it. And you're going to see a list of different applications which you have installed on your iPhone. Since this video is about WhatsApp, simply find the app on this list and open the settings for it. We're interested in this option which is called Show Previews, and this option is located under the Lock Screen Appearance section. You can set this to When Unlocked, so this option is going to show you the sender's name and the contents of the message when you unlock your iPhone with Face ID or with a passcode. But you can set this to Never. This option will hide the message content completely. The notification will only show the app's name, WhatsApp, and possibly a new message label, without any preview of the message or sender's name. This is the most private option if you don't want others seeing any part of your messages in the notifications. So there is one more thing which you'll want to do after this step. You will have to open WhatsApp and then go over to the settings section by tapping on this gear at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll then want to select the notifications button right here, and that will open this page where you can customize WhatsApp notifications. But you'll simply want to disable this option called Show Previews at the bottom. This way, the name and the content of the WhatsApp message will be completely hidden.